Hey everyone, about to show you why you've probably been vacuuming your hardwood floors and your carpet. It does apply to your carpets, but mainly your hardwood floors wrong by vacuuming with the lights on. You see here, see our hardwood floor, and it looks pretty clean. And there's a reason your vacuum has headlights. Yeah, those little things right there on both sides. And if I can, I'll try to show you this. I'll turn the vacuum on. Well, we gotta plug it in. That's on me. Sorry about that. See the lights come on. Now, get lower. Start to see all of the that's all dog hair. You can see, wow, it really shows up now. Now, if you were to do this in the day, you'd say, yeah, I mean, you can do it with the lights on. But hey, you're probably going to miss a lot. But if you just make the room a little bit darker and use your headlights on your vacuum, you'll find that you won't miss spots anymore because you'll be able to see way better. And, that's just it. That's a quick tip for me, especially if you got huskies or dogs that are Spitz breed like I do. I have both of those types of dogs, and you gotta vacuum a lot. So you either get a Roomba, which scares your kid and your dogs, or just turn the lights down. You don't have to turn them off, just down a little bit, and you'll be able to see a lot more. And your vacuum time will go down because you're not going to be missing spots. So until next time, we'll see you later. Like and subscribe, and watch my other videos if you want. We've got gaming videos, still got fishing videos coming soon, and lots of DIY coming soon as we're heading out of winter, heading into spring. Got a lot more projects coming, and some guitar building. If you see, I've got a lot of guitar videos that's what I've been putting my main effort into lately. But we'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe. Thank you.